Madaling ma-derive ang equation ng circle kapag ang given natin ay yung center at yung radius ng circle. So, ibig sabihin, diretso ka na agad sa pag-derive. Now, what if ang given natin ay center pa rin naman ng circle, pero hindi na binigay ang radius? Pagkos, ang binigay ay yung point where it passes through or kung saan nagpa-pass through yung circle. Yan. So, paano yung gagawin natin? So, recall lang natin na standard form ng equation ng circle kapag center at the origin, ang standard form natin ay x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. Wherein, yung r natin, siya yung radius. And then, the standard form of the equation of a circle, when the center is at h comma k, ibig sabihin ng h comma k, wala siya sa origin. H comma k yung center or any point in the coordinate plane and still r is our radius. Now, gaya nga ng sabi ko, what if si r yung nawawala? Ang binigay lang point. So, ano yung gagawin natin? So, let's try to solve this. Find the equation of the circle with center at 2, 5 and passing through 5, 9. Kung ito-drawing natin yung illustration nito ng circle, si 2, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ay somewhere here. So, ito yung parang kang center ng circle. And then, yung passing through, yung nagpa-pass through, so 5, 9. So, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then, 3, 4, 5. So, it's somewhere here. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, kapag binaybay mo yung circle, dadaan siya sa 5, 9. So, di ba ang kailangan natin yung radius? Kapag kinonect natin yung point na to, papunta sa circle, siya yung magsisilbing radius. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan nating makuha yung length nito. And to get that measurement, we need to use the distance formula. Okay? So, yung distance formula, syempre yung distance na yan, siya na rin yung length at magiging radius. Ang distance formula is d is equal to square root of y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared plus x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared. Yung x sub 2 and y sub 2, siya po yung point natin. And then yung y sub 1 and x sub 1 is your center. Pwede rin naman magkakalit. Basta be consistent. Okay? So, solve natin yung distance. So, di ba d is equal to r or yung radius na din natin is equal to square root of, ano ba yung y squared natin? 9. Minus, ano yung y sub 1, y sub 2, which is 9, and yung y sub 1 natin, which is 5. Then squared, plus, ano yung x sub 2? 5 minus 2, squared. So this will be square root of 4 squared plus 3 squared, and it will become square root of 16 plus 9, and square root of 25, yung sum ng dalawa, and our radius is the square root of 25, which is 5. So, meron na tayong radius, and meron din naman na tayong center. So, kung susulat natin, center at 2, 5, and then radius of 5. So, gamitin natin yung formula kanina na kung saan h, k. Yung center natin, ito po yung h, k. Si h po yung representation ng x value ng center, and si k po yung representation ng y value. So, kung isa-substitute natin, ganito lang yung mangyayari, x minus, di ba, x minus, sige, sulat ko lang muna yung formula ulit, plus y minus a squared equals r squared. Substitute lang natin, we have x minus 2 squared. Bakit minus? Kasi nasa formula minus plus y minus 5 squared is equal to 5 squared. Finally, we have x minus 2 squared plus y minus 5 squared equals 25. So, simplify ko na yung 5 squared into 25. Okay, so this is your standard form. Now, what if hiningi yung general form? Paano natin isosolve yung general form? Ganito lang, bibigyan ko lang kayo ng shortcut. Okay? Ganito lang yung gagawin nyo. Sa general form, automatic, laging x squared plus y squared yan kapag ang center mo naman ay walang fraction. Yung center. Kapag hindi fraction ng center, okay ka na dyan sa, sa x squared plus y squared. Automatic na yan. Now, paano yung gagawin natin sa kasunod? Ang gawin mo lang dito, yung negative 2 na yan, i-times mo sa 2. So, negative 4, tapos dugtungan mo ng x. Sa y naman, ganun din ang gawin mo, si negative 5, i-times mo sa 2. So, negative 10, tapos lagyan mo lang ng y. Automatic na yan. Automatic na to ha. And then, equals, di ba, 25 to. Gawin mo, minus h squared minus k squared. Ibig sabihin, yung h na times mo sa sarili, ima-minus mo dun sa 25, tapos yung k din, ima-minus mo din yung k squared. Okay? So, magiging x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 10y is equal to 25. Ano ba yung h natin? Di ba ang h natin ay 2? Diba? Tapos ang k natin ay 5. So, ang 2 squared ay 4. Ang k squared ay 25. So, magiging 25 minus 4 minus 25. Okay? Next. Solve lang natin tong part na to. So, x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 10y is equal to 25 minus 4, that's 21. So, pwede naman 25 minus 25, 0. So, negative 4 yung natira. Then, ililipat natin ngayon si negative 4 doon sa left side kasi general form. Dapat i-equate sa 0. And our general form, final answer, x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 10y plus 4 is equal to 0. So, this is now our general form. So, let's have another example. Find the equation of the circle with center at negative 1, 3 and passing through 4, negative 2. So, similar question. So, we need to get the radius or yung distance muna. Okay? So, yung distance natin or yung r natin is square root of, di ba, y sub 2. So, ibig sabihin, negative 2 minus 3 squared plus, ano yung x sub 2 natin? 4 minus negative 1 squared. So, ito yon x2, y2, x1, y sub 1, para hindi ka malito. Okay? So, r is equal to square root of, this is negative 5 squared, plus, so since negative plus minus, magiging plus nito, so magiging 5 squared. And then r is equal to square root of 25, kasi negative 5 times negative 5 is 25, plus 25, and r is equal to square root of 50. Diba ang center natin ay negative 1, 3. So, gagamitin natin itong dalawang ito to get the standard form. So, ang standard form natin, so x, change mo lang yung sign ng negative 1, so magiging plus 1. Ganun lang para hindi ka mahirapan. Change the sign mo na lang. Squared plus yung y minus 3, change the sign yon, yung positive 3 squared equals square root of 50, tapos naka-square. So, pwede natin itong mas-simplify. So, final answer ng standard form, x plus 1 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to 50. Cancel yung square root. Basta ang square root at saka squared, pag pinag-ano mo yan, cancel lang. So, this is our standard form. So, what if kukunin naman natin ang general form? Di ba yung tinuro ko sa'yo, automatic, x squared plus y squared. Tapos ito, di ba, ito times natin sa 2. So, plus 2x. Lalagyan natin ng x. Kasi ito, times din natin sa 2, negative 3 times 2, so minus 6y equals 50. Tapos, ima-minus natin siya doon sa h squared. Ano ba yung h natin? Di ba negative 1, so magiging minus 1. Kasi times sa sarili, minus, ano ba yung k squared? 3 times 3, 9. So we'll have x squared plus y squared plus 2x minus 6y equals 50 minus 1 minus 9, it's 40. And then final answer, x squared plus y squared plus 2x minus 6y minus 40, kasi nilipat natin, equals 0. So this is our general form. So that's it. So I hope you learned something. Please consider subscribing and like this video. Thank you.